In this video, you're going to learn how to create consistent styles like this printable art set using the free tool Whisk. By the way, you can actually purchase this on my store through the link in the description. If you don't have an idea right away, you can use the free mode of ChatGPT to ask for help. I asked it to generate some ideas for frogs with clothes in a more cottagecore style and action. This was the prompt it generated for me. It will then generate images in different styles. You can create as many as you want until you find a style that fits you. I like this one, which looks like a children's book illustration. You're going to drag the image to the section labeled Style. Here, the AI itself will describe the style of the chosen scene and generate a prompt. You'll copy and paste it after the first prompt you wrote and generate more images. Before continuing, I'll show you how Whisk works so you can make the most of the tool. In this yellow area here, by clicking the arrow, 3 sections will appear: Subject, Scene, and Style. In Subject, the AI will describe the clothing in detail. The Scene will describe the scenario, and the Style. Each section helps you get one of these 3 aspects more precisely. Going back to the prompt, you can also change the pose and the clothes, like I did here. I asked it to make a frog holding an umbrella while reading a book, or a frog playing a banjoline. By placing an image in the style section or using the prompt it generates, will make the next images come out much more similar, and you'll get more consistent results. Now let's do the same with characters. You need to drag or add an image of a character you want to use. I added the frog with overalls. In this tab, Whisk will give you a well-defined prompt for the character or element you want to use. You just need to copy the part that describes the clothing and modify your current prompt. I also wanted to add a straw hat, so I used another image to get the description of it to apply to my own prompt. If you don't want the AI to continue to use the image to generate others, you might want to delete or deselect the images from the yellow section. This way, my frog came out with the outfit I wanted. With this, you can generate different actions and poses with the same outfit, changing the prompt as you wish. You can use other images to change the outfit, like I did here, generating characters from the same world with different clothes. Every now and then, images will come out with pretty obvious flaws. Sometimes it's the way we describe that isn't detailed enough or understandable at all. You can ask ChatGPT to help polish the prompt for the part you need, like I did here. I asked for help describing the scene where the frog would be lying down, with one leg crossed and a book covering its eyes. It seems obvious when we think, but when you write it, you realize it's hard to describe the actions. You can see that even with help, it was still coming out strange. That's when I realized the book was described as closed and not open. And I also removed the hat from the frog's head and asked for the hat to be on top of the picnic blanket. That way, it was easier for the AI to place the open book over the frog's head without conflicting with the hat. That's it. You gradually polish the prompts, using these as base for the style to create similar outputs. The character part is very interesting for creating sets, like the capybara set I made, and even this frog set. It's trial and error. You start with a small prompt and add whatever you need. So far, I've been able to generate some similar images in this style, but not with the exact same characters, because they always change proportion. So I recommend using more general characters, like the frog I made, as it's a frog. Only the outfit changes. Or just focus on keeping the overall style of the scene, not the character itself. I'll post the frog process so you can watch it slowly and get an idea of how I do it. I hope this video helped you in some way, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this.